My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Global Ad Blocker. So, Global Ad Blocker is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that it somehow helps to block ads while you surf the internet. But in reality, this extension actually operates as adware. Instead of actually blocking ads, it shows its own ads that are not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and remove it urgently. For this purpose, what you need to do is access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, then click on Extensions. So if you see any extensions here that are active and that are not really decent, you should definitely undertake the measures and get rid of such extensions. So disable and remove this extension. In order to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I do recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start researching your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.